Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My bad for not posting a lot, but today I won the B prize for the Ichibankuji Godzilla 70th anniversary B prize. I'm just showing the box art here, and yeah. Just a time lapse of me unboxing the statue. I'm just showing off the figure. I'll get into more details soon. The details on this is very good. All the Ichibankuji, I think, all of their sculptures of Godzilla is really good actually. The head, I feel like the eyes could be like the derpy ones and not just looking straight down. The claws, the hands look very nice. It's very suit-like. It's like the actual suits. They've done a great job at sculpting this thing. As you can see, the details are very nice. I feel like the foot could have had more paint onto it because it looks like damn plain. Shortly after the recording, I saw there was a little bit of dark ass brown, but it's like barely noticeable, so I feel like they could have painted the feet a bit better. The dorsal plates also look very nice from the behind as well. The seam line for the dorsal plates can also be seen here, but it's not that big of a deal really. And here is a side-by-side comparison with the Evolved Godzilla from Bandai as well, from my previous unboxing video. That's the height difference from the side. That's how they look from the top. Yeah, it's pretty much the same size. So like, yeah.